to nightly builds. Tonight, we're gonna be upgrading this small form factor PC. And we're gonna change the video card from this Geforce 1050 Ti to a faster model. We're also gonna be changing these HyperX memory sticks for something faster. I'm glad you joined in. Now let's begin. After removing the thumb screws, I'm taking out the glass window and putting it somewhere safe. So this is the old card, the 1050 Ti, and I'm replacing it with this 1070 Geforce, which is a lot faster. This is not a big case, but this is a big card, so it's gonna be a tight fit, I think. Before installing it, I'm gonna clean it up. Got rid of a lot of dust, and we might as well clean it with some alcohol as well. I like to do this when I'm buying used equipment. There's not a lot of clearance, but I'm just happy I managed to get it inside the case. Maybe I should have installed a cable before the card. But you know, when you buy new equipment, you're kind of in a rush to hook it up, and you just want to try it out and play with it. Yeah, I'm really struggling here. I'm trying to get the cable to go under the card to keep it out of sight. Yeah, I finally gave up and figured it's easier to take out the card, install the cable, and then drop the card in there again. I should have just done that from the beginning. There's a lot of things I like about this case, but it can be kind of tricky to build inside of it. There's not a lot of room, and especially there's not a lot of places to hide your cables. At last, everything is connected. Looks like it's morning again. I don't know about you, but I think I'm gonna need a cup of coffee before I finish this build. Okay, let's get back to work. I apologize for this part of the video being a bit dark. The new RAM modules are of higher speed and have this fancy RGB lighting. This probably also would have been easier to do when I had the graphics card out, but it's still pretty easy, no problem. I'm gonna try to start the computer. And at first it looked good. And then it shut down. I had to try this a few times. And after the fourth try, it actually started and kept running. And I had to fiddle in the BIOS with the RAM settings, and I had to enable an XMP, another XMP profile, before I got it working at the correct speed. After that, I've had no problems with it. I think it looks alright. Okay, time to get the computer back in place. And there we have it. Graphics card and new memory is in place and working as they should. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this. And I've also got a review of this computer case coming up, the Jonsbo UMX-1 Plus. I hope I'll see you in the next video. Until then, good night.